Hello everybody, it's Super Sphere time. Let's start with the red one this year. I never have high hopes for these things. They typically always need to be worked on. But that's okay. I can typically get them working. Let's see what happens this year. Absolutely 100% dead. So yeah, that's awesome. Yep, dead, 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 dead. Well, let's do, guess I'm going to have to crack it open. Get these O-rings removed. Always a great deal of fun to get them back on. Pretty easy to get off though, but difficult to get back in place. And that one went flying somewhere. So find that bulb I took out. See if we can get this side going. Turn the lights off and see if there's one sparking. Well, let's check the fuse just to be sure. That one's good. That one's good, so not a problem with that. So make sure I'm getting power through the plug. And I am. So that's not looking too good for this so far. See if I can have any better success on the other half. What about this? Not looking too promising this year. So I plugged it directly into the wall and it came on, but I've got several bulbs burned out. See, we got 1, 2, 3 on this half, and one over here. So now the fun time to relamp. Probably an hour into this, I finally got it working. So we're going to take it out there and hang it up. Might put one more O-ring right there. But man, this one put me through the ringer this year. But I got it. Well, since the red box gave us such a tough time, let's see how the silver box does. The last one did absolutely nothing when I initially plugged it in. Well, at least we're halfway there. And wonderful. I don't have to fight this, I don't think. So the second super sphere, not a problem. I don't even see any burned out bulbs. So fantastic. I'll go hang this one up. Got them hung up on the porch. There's that one, the silver box one, and there's the red box one that gave me such a fit. So once again, this is getting the GE Super Spheres up and running for 2024. Thank you for watching.